This is the Browning Patriot. There's some stats on that. 7CR17 MOV, G10 handle, scales. Come on now, focus. So the thing about this knife is when you buy it in the package, it's like this. And even though you can see the liner lock to see if it's locked up good, it's pushed over because of the position of the knife. See? So, come on, Browning. Anyway. No lanyard hole. Nice jimping. Pretty blue hardware. Full blue liners. G10 scales. And then it's got that nice sheep's foot blade with the design. The United States flag etched in. Good lockup. Censored. Deep carry, tip down only. One side only. Teflon washers. But there you go. The Browning Patriot.